A very warm welcome to all those present here. It's a wonderful day, and I feel extremely privileged to extend my warm welcome to all those present here. International Veterinary Student Association is a non-profit, non-governmental organization founded in 1951 and is also the largest veterinary student association in the world. It aims to improve the standard of veterinary education internationally through the exchange of ideas, knowledge, and culture. The mission of IVSA is to benefit the animal and people of the world by harnessing the potential and dedication of veterinary students to promote the international application of veterinary skill, education, and knowledge. With this intent in mind, motivated by the vision of IVSA, and hoping to be a branch of support for this very big family, we, the students of IVSA Gadag, came forward to begin our local chapter, that is IVSA Gadag. And finally, I'll be the exchange officer of IVSA Gadag, and I'll be hosting today's event. We, all the members of IVSA Gadag, are elated to see many people have joined to grace this occasion. And we are very glad to have Professor Dr. R. Nagaraja, Honorable Dean of Veterinary College Gadag, and our speaker, Dr. Dhanlakshmi ma'am. A warm welcome to you, sir and ma'am. Thanks a lot for being here. Well, now without further ado, we shall begin our very first event by inauguration of our Gadag chapter through the release of logo. Dr. R. Nagaraja, Honorable Dean VCG, to speak to release. Okay. I kindly request you to speak a few words regarding our initiation and then announce the release of logo, sir. Over to you, sir.
Okay, that's the program. Okay. So, good evening, one and all. All the members of International Student Veterinary Association. Good evening to one and all. So, it looks like there are issues with the network. Anyway, it's the first attempt. Let's try our best, okay, probably to inaugurate you. And let me not take much time on this because, again, there is a network issue. So, let me wish you all the best, especially the Gadag students. You are the nearest chance to connect to this organization when maybe years back. And nice to see that it is such a good old organization. And also, I could go through this website. There are associations involved. There are very reputed member organizations. So, the strength of this organization, I'm very happy to know about this. And once again, I'm very happy that our students from the Gadag, there is a nearest college, especially in the Karnataka state, Mammoth organization, to develop a network. So in this, especially, the networking is very important. So that helps in many ways, not only by for your studies, but connectivity with regard to personality development, to get to know the work, to get to know the culture of different people with different. So over to you, Sangeeta. All the best to you people.
So that's so kind of you, sir. Your kind words really warmed our heart.
Over to you.
Now, okay, sir. Your kind words really warmed our heart. Thank you so much, sir. I kindly request you to announce the release of logo, please.
I'll just say, okay, so this is the moment. Yeah, I have the pleasure of releasing the logo of Veterinary College Gadag chapter for International Student Association. Can you see that? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Logo of Gadag, yeah. It looks fantastic, really nice. Congratulate all of you people who are involved in this designing of the logo.
Great. Now, I would like to take this opportunity to offer a vote of thanks to our beloved Dean. So, thanks a lot for taking time out of your schedule, and your presence really meant a lot to us, sir. Thank you so much for being here, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you all, and I wish you all the best. Go ahead and get connected, get involved, and be educated yourself, okay? And help others also. All the best.
Thank you so much, sir. Okay, sir. And yeah, today we have a special guest here, Pradyum Devaya, the president of IVSA India. He's a fourth-year student from Veterinary College, Bidar, and he has excellent vision for IVSA in the future. So we are glad to have you on our very first event, Pradyum. I kindly request Pradyum to speak a few words about IVSA and your vision.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Dean Sir, and the respective professors on the panel. So I'm Pradyum Devaya. I'm a final year student. So I was also a former student of Hiramat Sir. I hope Hiramat Sir is present here. Because of him and his support, IVSA Gadag was able to be formed. Because Hiramat Sir had got in touch with me about IVSA and how to join it, and had spoken to few members about it. So I'm very glad to see Gadag is part of it. So a little history. I started the first chapter with just 2 students, and now we have more than 1,500 members in IVSA India, and I'm very glad that IVSA Gadag is part of it also. And to have our third college from Kapsu University to be part of IVSA is a great initiative, and I hope to see them doing well and taking Kapsu's name and Gadag's name to new heights. So I would like to congratulate Reshma on her presidency, and hope she does a good job. And for the future, I hope you all will be also running for the post of IVSA India, and surely I hope one day someone from IVSA Gadag will also be the president. With that, I would like to congratulate all of you. Though it might seem like a small start, but this is the best start. I'm very happy and glad, and also I'm really impressed with the logo. The logo looks very good. So congratulations once again. Hope to see you all do better and much awesome, and take it as far as possible. Thank you, guys.
Pradyum, you really inspire us a lot. Thanks a lot for coming and visiting this event. We really appreciate your time. Well, the most awaited part is finally here, and I'm much delighted to offer a hearty welcome to our beloved speaker of today's event, Dr. Dhanlakshmi ma'am. Now, may I request Manvita, Junior Exchange Officer of our Gadag chapter, to give a brief introduction about our speaker. Over to you, Manvita.
I would like to take this opportunity to introduce our today's speaker, Dhanlakshmi ma'am. Dr. Dhanlakshmi is a graduate from Veterinary College, Bidar. She has done her post-graduation from Veterinary College, Bangalore in Veterinary Surgery and Radiology. She has completed her PhD from College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, Bhubaneswar. She is specialized in soft tissue surgery, captive wildlife healthcare management and breeding, chemical restraint and surgical intervention in wild animals. The workforce at Mysore Zoo gave her an opportunity for her to experience wildlife. At present, she is the head of the Department of Veterinary Surgery and Radiology at Veterinary College, Gadag. We are very glad to have you, ma'am. Thanks for being here.
So thank you, Manvita, for introducing our speaker. So just a little housekeeping. If you have any queries regarding our webinar, please pop them up in the chat box. Your queries will be answered. There will be a live Q&A session at the end of the webinar. And please put yourself on mute throughout the webinar so that the sound quality won't be affected through the webinar.